Notice FILEPART files appearing during WinSCP transfers. These are temporary files created during interrupted file transfers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these WinSCP temporary transfer data files mean. I call this the last resort solution for those FILEPART files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. FILEPART files are temporary transfer files created by WinSCP during file transfer operations. They contain partially transferred data from FTP SFTP or other protocol transfers that were interrupted, enabling WinSCP to resume the transfer from the partial point rather than restarting completely. FILEPART files use the same internal format as the original file being transferred, just truncated to the last successfully received byte position. WinSCP tracks the partial transfer state, allowing resumption when network conditions allow continued transfer of the remaining file data. The best utility for a reliable viewing of FILEPART is known to be WinSCP by Martin Prickrell. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows sometimes leaves temporary logs or cached items that can be safely discarded. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your FILEPART file, then choose Open With. You should start with WinSCP if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. When a FILEPART file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, resuming transfer. Reconnect to the source server in WinSCP and locate the original file. Right-click the partially transferred file with FILEPART extension and select Resume Transfer. WinSCP continues downloading from where the previous transfer was interrupted, creating the complete final file. Next, cleaning up files. If transfers fail permanently, delete the FILEPART files manually, as they have no use without successful resumption. WinSCP normally cleans these up automatically, but orphaned FILEPART files may remain after crashes or interrupted operations requiring manual cleanup. Finally, examining partial data. For partial files containing readable data, like text or images, you can attempt opening them with appropriate applications. Rename to remove the FILEPART extension and try opening. The result will be incomplete but may provide partial recovery of important content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.